Hello and welcome to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making quick and delicious homemade sloppy joes. Let's get cooking. Start by adding 2 pounds of ground beef to a pan over medium heat. Then toss in some diced onions, diced green pepper, about 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and a dash of nature's seasoning. Now, break up the hamburger as it cooks. Once it's fully browned, drain any excess grease. Once the hamburger is browned, go ahead and stir in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then add in some ketchup, just enough to cover the meat. Now, add a little mustard right on top. Then, mix everything together until it's well combined. Once everything is mixed together, add a bit more ketchup and mustard if needed. And there you have it, a simple and tasty homemade sloppy joes. Thanks for hanging out with me here on Simply Easy Cooking. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time.